What's the time?
It's time to get ill.
So what's the time?
It's time to get ill.
Now what's the time?
It's time to get
I love this community. It fuels me, it motivates me, it inspires me. Poetry is alive and well. Spoken word is alive and well. Every year, you never fail to come out and support these artists and poets.
Make peace with your pieces, hermana.
An open letter to the creators of Dragon Ball Z.
I say that's what happens when you leave and ain't got nothing when you come back.
Never let them assassinate your cultural identity.
Because we do this for the craft. Shout out to you guys for supporting spoken word poetry. If we want this craft to grow and continue to thrive and flourish, we must continue to support the craft. So anybody who supported me, all of us, we thank you, thank you, thank you.
You give yourself time to write. It is as healthy for you as if you give yourself 30 minutes a day to take a walk, to exercise, to get outside. It is not enough to take care of your physical body. You have got to, maybe even more importantly, take care of the mental well-being. This is the shit that'll kill you. This shit that is locked inside your brain. This shit that burns in your heart. You have got to unpack that and offload that, and that is what writing does. This is healthcare, I swear to God. All right, y'all ready to start?
Come on!
My community means a lot to me. So does poetry. So tonight's a love letter written in haiku from my heart to you with the help of my Burn and Rave crew. Modesto, we are here for you.